Day 1 of Learn Blues Harmonica in 30 days. I'm Count Zero. Today is day 1. Monday through Friday, I'm going to have a video posted up for everybody to watch, and it's going to be on one specific subject. As we go through that subject, as we get through that subject, that is going to build on the previous things that we have learned and get you to the point where you can confidently, comfortably play harmonica as the month progresses. But we're not going to have a training video on the weekends. And the reason why is because Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, those are your days to go out and find a live venue to go play harmonica at. Not a lot of people play harmonica. All right. If you show up and play harmonica, people will think that's just awesome, especially karaoke. They love it when somebody gets up there and plays live harmonica at a karaoke. I highly recommend doing that. What we're going to be using is a 10-hole diatonic harmonica. All right. This has 10 holes. It's got 20 reeds. It's got one note for blow and one note for draw for each hole. So 20 reeds, 10 holes. It's called the 10-hole diatonic harmonica. Now, something to know about this. If you tried playing harmonica as a kid and it did not sound like the song that you wanted to play, the reason why is probably because there's one of these per key. A diatonic harmonica has a certain key to it. This is the key of C. There are 12 of them. So, if you're trying to play harmonica and it doesn't sound like what you're hearing in the music, it's probably because you don't have the right harmonica. All right, that's the first thing. Now, for the Learn Harmonica in 30 days, we are starting out with a basic. We're going to start out with the C harmonica. All right. I am recommending the East Top C harmonica for this. There are much nicer, much more expensive harmonicas. There's also cheaper ones. I just like it. It is a good middle ground harmonica. It's actually my go-to harmonica right now. I have them linked in my Amazon influencer page in the description. Go there, click on it. They're generally around $20 to $25 depending on, what day it is. I used to play Learn Blues harps. I loved those things, but now they're $60, $70, and that's a little bit much for, just starting out. And it's actually a little bit much for me, for a little bit rich for my blood these days as well. So I started picking up these East Tops, and I really, really do like them. So East Top in the key of C. Once again, it will be on my Amazon influencer page, so you can go there. Now, once you've got your harmonica, you're going to need to learn how to hold your harmonica. All right. When you hold a harmonica, how you do it is, here's your harmonica. All right. That's the top, low note, high note, hand. Put it right in there. Boom. Just like that. All right. Then you grab a hold of with these two fingers, and you can play. Now, this is sort of your accent hand here. You can completely enclose it. Or you can do a little bit of flourish and do that wah-wah stuff with it. All right, that's how you hold a harmonica. Now, if you're going out to a karaoke night or a blues jam, you're going to have a microphone. Most common kind of microphone looks like this, because this is a microphone. How you hold a microphone? Pretty simple. Remember these fingers which are just hanging out? You grab a hold of your microphone with those fingers, and you hold onto your harmonica the same way. There you go. That's how you hold a harmonica and a microphone at the same time. And those are really just the basics for right now. You know which harmonica to get, and you know how to hold it. All right. come on back tomorrow. We're going to be doing the next step. Okay, I believe I'm going to be doing the using one hole. No, I think I'm going to be talking about the workspace. No, I'm going to be talking about cross harp. Well, you know what? Tune in and find out. We're going to talk about all of this stuff eventually, but we need to get to the point where we are actually comfortable with what we're doing first in order to get to the next thing. And we're going to get that in a nice, organized fashion. So, like, subscribe. If you're not finding this on day one, if it's a little bit in, I should have the link to the day 2 video at the end. It's going to be like here or here. And go ahead and click on that. Go to day 2. Take a look at what you're looking at on day 2. You know, if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer questions for you. Please, once again, like it, subscribe it, share it, let people know about it. You know, more people that I have joining in, the more fun it's going to be for everybody. All right. Once again, I am Count Zero. Please go to countzeroblues.com and sign up for my newsletter. I'll give you more information. There's little bits and bobs that I can send out through email, and I'll be happy to let you know about. Also, if you'd like to donate to help me work on this whole thing, on this project, on what I'm doing as a professional singer and blues harmonica player, please go to thejukeboint.countzeroblues.com and donate. Anything that you can donate will be really helpful to keep me going and keep me from collapsing and starving to death like most of us harmonica players end up doing anyway. So thank you for showing up for day 1. I really do appreciate you being here. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And we're going to have fun this month. You guys have a great day.